hello students. Today we will discuss exercise 2.1 question number 3, 4, 5 and 6. Let's see question number 3. In a magic square, the sum of the numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals is the same. Is this a magic square? Then how to find that given square is a magic square or not? Let's see. Here is the hint given. Along the first row, we need to check the sum of each row, each column and diagonal, and addition of or sum of numbers in each row, in each column and along the diagonals, it should be same. Then here is given along the first row 4 upon 11 plus 9 upon 11 plus 2 upon 11. All the denominators are same. Then we can add easily the upper numbers 15 upon 11. तो ये जो मिल गया हमें 15 upon 11, यही एडिशन सेकंड रो की आनी चाहिए, थर्ड की आनी चाहिए, देन कॉलम की भी यही आनी चाहिए, 1 2 3 3 कॉलम्स एंड डायगोनल्स की भी यही आनी चाहिए. ओके देन चिल्ड्रन, सॉल्व question number 3. Now question number 4 is again very simple. A rectangular sheet of paper is 12 and half centimeter long and 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide. Find its perimeter. Let's see how to find out how to solve question number 4. Here is question number 4. See, you can see here rectangle which is 12 and half centimeter long, 10 2 by 3 centimeter wide, or its breadth is 10 2 by 3 centimeter. Then how to find its perimeter? First we need to write here length. Length is 12 and half centimeter. Then convert this into improper. 2 12s are 24 plus 1 25. 25 upon 2 centimeter. Then another number 10 2 by 3. Then again convert this into improper. 3 10s are 30 plus 2 32 upon 3 centimeter. Now we need to write here perimeter of rectangle. The formula for perimeter of rectangle is 2 multiplied by L plus breadth B. L plus B means what? Length plus breadth. Let's solve this. 2 multiplied by length is 25 upon 2 plus breadth is 32 upon 3. Then next we need to solve first bracket. We need to solve this addition first. You can solve here by using LCM method or cross multiplication method. LCM और cross एक तरह से same ही है. Let's see. Solve here by cross multiplication method और LCM. LCM is 6. तो दोनों का LCM डिनोमिनेटर अगर 6 चाहिए तो ये इसको 3 से करना पड़ेगा और इसे 2 से मल्टीप्लाई करना पड़ेगा. लेट्स डू 3 2 into 3 plus 32 into 2 and 3 into 2. तो ये हो गया डिनोमिनेटर. कॉमन डिनोमिनेटर करने के लिए हमने प्रोसीजर कर दी है. नाउ नेक्स्ट पार्ट 2 multiplied by 25 3s are 75 upon 6 plus 32 2s are 64 upon 6. Then denominators are same and we can add 75 plus 64 upon 6. Then here 75 plus 64, 2 multiplied by 5 plus 4 9 and 7 and 6 139 upon 6. तो यहाँ पे चिल्ड्रन हम लोग देखने ही वाले हैं हाउ टू मल्टीप्लाई फ्रैक्शंस. बट हियर आई विल टेल यू 2 multiplied by 139 upon 6. 6 ये डिवाइज़र में है तो हम लोग ये दोनों कट कर सकते हैं. इन 5th स्टैंडर्ड वी हैव स्टडीड दिस. देन 2 1s are 2, 2 3s are 6. Then answer is 139 upon 3 centimeter. Unit of perimeter we know centimeter only. That's why the perimeter of the given rectangle is 139/3 centimeter. Now again let's discuss question number 5. Find the perimeter of triangle ABE and the rectangle BCDE in this figure. Whose perimeter is greater? 3 questions are there actually. Then we will solve here. First one, find the perimeter of triangle ABE. तो जो rectangle है और whose perimeter is greater, you need to solve these two. Okay, let's see how to solve first one. How to find out perimeter of triangle ABE. Here I have drawn the figure. You can see. अगर पेरीमीटर ऑफ ट्रायंगल ए बी ई चाहिए तो हमें लेंथ मालूम होनी चाहिए. वी नो पेरीमीटर मीन्स व्हाट? टोटल लेंथ ऑफ द बाउंड्री. वी नीड टू ऐड दीज 3 साइड्स 1, 2 and 3. देन हियर वी नीड टू ऐड ए बी प्लस बी ई प्लस ए ई. देन व्हाट इज ए बी? 5/2 प्लस बी ई 2 3/4 plus AE 3 3/5. And now first we need to convert these two into improper fraction. Let's do. First write as it is 5/2 plus 4 2s are 8 plus 3. 8 plus 3 11. 11/4. 5 3s are 15 plus 3 18/5. Now here the all these fractions are unlike fractions only. We need to make their denominator same first. Denominators are 2, 4 and 5. Can you tell me LCM by orally only? अगर LCM हमें ढूंढना है तो क्या आ सकता है? 5 4s are 20. 20 will be the LCM. आप लोग LCM मेथड से LCM ढूंढ सकते हैं. Orally also you can find out. Now we need everywhere 20 20 20. Then how to make this 20? 2 को 20 कैसे बनाएंगे? Multiply by 10. 5 into 10 upon 2 into 10 plus इसको 20 कैसे बनाएंगे? 4 को 4 into 5 and here 11 into 5 plus 5 को 20 कैसे बनाएंगे? 5 4s are. That's why 18 into 4 and 5 into 4. Then 5 10s are 50/20 plus 55/20 and 18 4s are, sorry here plus sign should be there. 18 4s are 72/20. Then denominators are same now. Write one time and add 50 plus 55 plus 72. 5 plus 2 7. 5 plus 5 10 and 7 17. Here children we got perimeter of triangle ABE is equal to 177/20 centimeter. Okay, just like you have to find out yourself perimeter of rectangle BCDE. We know here the length of length of rectangle is 2 3/4 and length of breadth is 7/6 centimeter. Okay, find area of rectangle BCDE. Now let's see last question, means homework question last. Question number 6. Salil wants to put a picture in a frame. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter wide. To fit in the frame, the picture cannot be more than 7 3/10 centimeter wide. How much should the picture be trimmed? Trim आपको कितना पिक्चर कट करना पड़ेगा? देखो पिक्चर थोड़ा सा बड़ा है, बिगर है, और फ्रेम क्या है? थोड़ी सी छोटी है. तो अगर फ्रेम में पिक्चर को फिक्स करना है, फिट हमें अगर उसमें बिठाना है, तो हमें पिक्चर थोड़ा सा क्या करना पड़ेगा? कट करना पड़ेगा. देन हाउ मच शुड the picture be trimmed. Then how to find out? Let's see here. See here. You can see ये जो आपको bigger part दिख रहा है outer, it is picture and this much is frame. अगर फ्रेम में ये पिक्चर आपको फिट करनी है तो आपको ये वाला पार्ट क्या करना पड़ेगा? कट करना पड़ेगा. Okay, then how much part we need to cut? How much picture we need to cut or trim? Let's see. The picture is 7 3/5 centimeter wide. That is, इसको हमें improper में convert करना पड़ेगा. 5 7 जा 35, 35 plus 3 38, 38 divided by 5 centimeter. Sorry, 38 upon 5 centimeter. Here the frame is 7 3/10 centimeter wide. 10 7 जा 70 plus 3 73 upon 10 centimeter. तो अगर कट करना है तो पिक्चर इज़ बिगर एंड दैट फ्रेम इज़ स्मॉलर, तो हमें इन दोनों की क्या करना पड़ेगी सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी पड़ेगी. देन द पिक्चर टू बी ट्रिम इज इक्वल टू 7 3/5 minus 7 3/10. Converted part we have written here, converted fraction 38 upon 5 minus 73 upon 10. Here the LCM is 10. Then here already denominator of the second part is 10. Then no need to change it. Here we need to change only 38 and 5. 5 को 10 कैसे बनाएंगे? Multiply by 2. Here also multiply by 2. Minus 73 upon 10. तो ये बन गया 76 upon 10 minus 73 upon 10. Then denominators are same, write one time. Here 76 minus 73, then 3 upon 10 centimeter. Then how much picture should be trimmed? 3 upon 10 centimeter. Now children, today's homework is solve exercise 2.1, question number 3, question 4, question 5, question 6 in homework notebook which is of 180 pages. No need to write anything in 80 pages notebook today. You have to solve question number 3, 4, 5 and 6 in homework notebook, that is in 180 pages notebook. Okay children, then best luck, take care.